how to get the best mortgage rate without paying broker fees. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best mortgage rates without paying broker fees. So if you're a first-time buyer expert premium member, then you will have access to this. First-time buyer expert, the ultimate online mortgage resource. And you will click log in and that will take you here. All right, 67 lessons for first-time buyers, helping you to home ownership first time. Facebook group, all the folders you need to keep in all your documents, associated fees, budget planner, gifted deposit template, all the documents you need, proof of deposit, and you will have this here. How much can I borrow and who has the best mortgage deal? Keep going. You've got property budget, conveyancing quote, associated fees, budget planner, your employment history, how you qualify, your AIP, your property search, freehold versus leasehold, negotiating an offer. This helps you understand what market you're in, how to approach it, how to approach that first offer, what to do when you've had your offer accepted, applying, the process, solicitors, mortgage offer. It's got everything. We've started bonus tips, troubleshooting, valuation problems, down valuation, damp and timber report, Japanese knotweed. Literally covers everything you can think of. I've even put in the best mortgage lenders if you've got minor adverse credit. There's our quoting portal. But back to who has the best mortgage deal and how much you can borrow. By being a premium member, you will have access to some software. Right, so all you'll do is you will type in all your details. You're a first-time buyer. You want to buy whatever it is, terraced house, new build, yes or no. Freehold, leasehold, property value. Let's go for 200,000. Region, east of England. Standard, shared ownership, etc. Joint borrower, sole proprietor. Let's go for 190,000. So putting 10,000 down, 5% deposit, and over 35 years. We know we want fixed rates for, say, 5 years. Fill in your details. Make up a date of birth there, 38. Single, England, one applicant, no dependents. You're a tenant at the moment. Employed, full-time. Going to make that mortgage term 30 years so it doesn't go beyond age 70. Annual basic salary, say 45,000. Permanent. Credit card balances 500. Any loans, buy now, pay later, all goes there. Council tax of the new property is going to be 150. Buildings insurance 25. Household expenses is done automatically. Get affordability results. So what this is doing, it's now calculating with over 70 plus mortgage lenders how much we can borrow for starters, and then we will be able to see the best mortgage rate. This is all live information based on what's happening now, and it is tapping in as we speak to all of these mortgage lenders and their affordability and their rates. And as you can see, it's starting to bring In green, everything's affordable. In orange, it means the loan amount is out of reach, and then these red ones failing their criteria, so we don't fit with them for whatever reason. The ones in green is applicable to the information that we have put in. And you can see on the right hand side the rates are starting to come up. So we know that we've got some good options. Okay, affordable. We wanted to borrow 190,000. They're the rates on the right hand side. Okay, so we're happy with that. Now what we can do is press sourcing, and then all of the mortgage lenders that we can borrow the money with, it's going to give us the rates, starting with the best rate at the top. Okay, so we know at the moment that Newbury Building Society is offering 5.89% fixed rate for 5 years with a 5% deposit. So I could tick that, and then that brings this rate up here, and we can have a look at it in more detail. It's got all the rates, the fees, free valuation, early repayment charges. Okay, gives us all this information, and this is all part of First Time Buyer Expert, where I've put blood, sweat and tears into creating this program for you, so you can not only navigate through the complex process of buying your first home, but save thousands of pounds in finding the best rate on the market, not paying any broker fees, but having access to qualified mortgage broker, myself, throughout the whole process in our communities group, where you can ask questions at any time and I will respond to you personally. Back to the video. Okay, there you have it. So YouTube videos can only get you so far, and you have to spend hours and hours trying to find them all, and then when you do, they'll be in mixed up order, so it will be very difficult to get to the point where you understand the whole process step by step and what to do next. That's where First Time Buyer Expert is for you, to help you become the expert. As for the software you can get access to, you will understand how much you can borrow, and you have access to the correct mortgage lenders for you and your circumstances, and you'll save thousands of pounds in fees by finding the best mortgage. If you go to your own bank, you can only have access to those rates, and the likelihood is you can pay thousands of pounds more than you could have done. So if you want to control the process yourself and you want to apply direct to a mortgage lender, but you want to ensure home ownership at the end of it, and you don't want all the stress in trying to find out all the information yourself, then this mentorship program will achieve home ownership for you without paying the broker fees associated. Gives you the best of both worlds, huge value and support from a broker, and will save you thousands of pounds in the process, which will pay for the cost of the course over and over. For more information, just click the link in the corner of the screen or in the description below, or go to firsttimebuyerexpert.co.uk. With the market the way it is at the moment, having the support to provide you that little bit of quality when there's not much out there is hugely valuable, and I would love to mentor you. Mortgage warning. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments. So that's another video done, and another day in helping first time buyers. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.